Hello everyone. Welcome to another video on the channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the notification ringtone on your cell phone to the same as on your iPhone. Not just from the iPhone, but for any type of known device or sound, even ringtones for computer notifications or other cell phone brands. Before we start the video, I wanted to ask for your help so you can subscribe to my channel and like this video. This really motivates me to bring more content like this to you. Let's get started. The first thing you will do is open the application store on your cell phone. It can be either the Play Store or the Apple Store. Search for the word Zedge. This is the application that you will install. In my opinion, it is one of the most important in the entire Play Store, because it has a multitude of wallpapers and ringtones. Click to open the application and it will load its home screen. From time to time some ads appear, but this is normal as the application is free, so the developer earns by posting ads. The first thing you will do within the application is click on those three bars above in the top left corner of the screen and then click on Notifications. This part will load a multitude of notification tones for all types of cell phones, computers, consoles, or other sound effects. That is, it has all the existing notification tones. To find the iPhone, you must search for the word iPhone. As we can see, there are more than 3,000 iPhone notification tones alone. If we talk about wallpapers, there are more than 187,000 iPhone wallpapers available for free. To continue, click on Notification Sounds, and here you will find all possible iPhone ringtones, whether for WhatsApp messages, Facebook, or any application on the iPhone. In our case, we just searched for the word iPhone, so let's choose a notification ringtone and click on it. After opening the chosen notification tone, you must click on that white button at the bottom of the screen where there is an arrow pointing down. And now, just click on the first option where there is a bell to select notification. After that, everything is ready. Remembering that you can change the sound for free, and as many times as you want. There are all possible models. Let's check the Samsung one too. We see that we also have a multitude of ringtones for Samsung, from all the possible models that Samsung has launched on the market since its creation. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching my video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. See you next time. Bye.